How to share Notion page with others. So to start, we'll just have to open our account. To do that, simply open browser and then search for Notion. After that, log into your account. So in here, we'll just have to select the page that we want to share. And then in here, to share this page, what we need to do is to go on the right part of the screen, tap on the share option, and then in here, you will be given two choices, share and then publish. So in here, if you want to share the page, you can either type an email here and then after that, tap on invite, or you can simply copy a link. What we need to do is to go back. So in here, before you share the page, you can change the access from invite only, anyone with the link, or everyone at Notion. But as for me, I'm just gonna tap on this invite only. After that, tap on this copy link option. Once we have the link, we can now share it using our email or any messaging application where we can paste the link and then share it. So that's how easy we can share a Notion page with others. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!